How to dehydrate bananas crispy.
Here is some information for how to dehydrate bananas in Food Dehydrator.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoob. Is there anything? And then eventually it'll get a little bit hot. That's it. Thanks for helping me create content, yo.
And we like those stickers to compare. Hey, I just want to see what happens.
Oh, they probably shouldn't do that. They did say they're supposed to be leathery. I think they are done. Because the book said leathery. This is kind of leathery. Is it supposed to be... Oh, that's amazing. Is it supposed to be crunchy?
That's what I assumed. And the banana from the store. But it actually chips. This is leather, so I don't know if it's supposed to be like that.
You want them the other way though?
Yeah.
Not this way? I think to run it again. This is not what you want. I still smell the peppers. I think I even taste a little bit of pepper. Maybe we put it up at a higher temperature for shorter duration. You want to try maybe 4 hours? What temperature and time to dehydrate bananas?
135 degrees. Here's a summary from the Prairie Homestead. Turn the dehydrator on to 135 degrees. Check the bananas after about 6 hours. It typically takes mine 6 to 8 hours, but this varies depending upon the thickness of the banana slices. A perfectly dehydrated banana slice is leathery and dry, but might be slightly sticky to the touch.
I think it's done.
Yeah.
How to dehydrate bananas crispy.
Here is some information for how to dehydrate bananas in Food Dehydrator. According to Attainable Sustainable, I like to fit as many as I can on each tray without letting them overlap. Once your dehydrator is full, or you've sliced all the bananas you'll be drying, turn it on to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 hours. This of course depends on your climate and humidity and dehydrator.
Alright guys, that's it for now. Please make sure you like the video, greatly helps us out. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. We would greatly appreciate it. At the same time, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you, and have a good day.